Wait.
We
have
got
to use cameras.
We gotta use our brain right here, man.
Oh, I got it!
Ooh.
I was
Aha!
using the cameras. Wow.
One?
Yeah.
That was like a whole case and we got one? Stupid.
He's like, here's...
Stupid. I'm so mad I'm gonna make this thing crash. Stupid.
It's like, hack this. Let's steal money
Stupid.
too.
Okay. I think that's part of the brain virus, the zombie virus. Alright, let's go do this thing. This thing's starting to piss me off. It's just... oh, I think it's because it's the virus is on my phone. Yeah. Just don't download the new update.
What update? I don't know what you're
Don't
talking
worry
about.
about it.
It's in the shop. I want to get it. I want to get it.
I don't know. I just got it. I just got it
is.
from hacking this one. Like it was kind of like ground zero with the virus. All right. So now just stay put. Scout out. Oh, okay. Let me hack this one first. This is none of your business, DedSec. You won't get another warning. Leave my shit alone. Headache. Oh. So there's headache. Oh, yeah.
Guys, I found device 0 on a homeless guy. Haddock gave him the phone. The man's playing a smart game here. He even picked a guy who camps out right next to a gang hideout so people wouldn't come look.
Question? Why a homeless guy?
Oh no, I accidentally skipped the call. Damn it. Alright, so is that the end of it or is there more? Yeah,
You can I can finally like hack traffic lights.
Oh, I got that too. All right. Oh yeah. You want to do UB stolen?
Oh yeah, let's do that.
You'll get 27,000.
No!
Find the trailer at the Ubisoft office. Why can't I start it? Sean map.
Oh.
I can't. Can you start that thing? Cause I can't.
Okay, where? Cyber driver taking down Bloom. UB stolen. Here it is. So I can't. Is it tracking unavailable?
Yeah, I don't know why I can't do that.
Yeah, I can't do it either.
Oh, it says single player.
Wait, what
only.
about-
That sucks.
Oh, probably main operation.
Wait,
Well-
hold up. Can we do the main missions together? Hold up, let's do this. Oh yeah. Oh no, it
Nah.
says single player only. Damn it. All right. Well, I'll go.
What about side missions? Oh, never mind.
God, we can't do anything.
Really? Yeah. The only thing that we can do is online operations.
It's stupid.
Why would we still have cops searching for us?
We do? Oh, probably because it's a level 4 felony.
Felony. Man, I got the improved profile.
Whoa,
We'll never get caught. No.
never get caught because we're awesome. Nope. What? You started pushing me. You started pushing me. I was like, yeah, yeah.
Stop! Like this. Like, what?
It looked like you were pushing me, like in the like most immature way possible. Goodbye.
And then you're nah.
I am
We'll
on
make you
top.
come back. Oh, never mind.
I am on top
can't
of the
make you.
world. Huh? Probably because there's so much radiation right now. Goodbye, Jonathan. Whatever.
I'm still coming after you, man. I'll get you. Haha, I got a vehicle.
You'll never get me. Jonathan's trying to chase me.
Oh, what? I can't get in. I literally can't get in. Oh, yeah, I got it. Oh,
I was
shoot.
like, Jonathan's trying to get me. You'll never get me, fool. No. Leave me alone, Jonathan.
Oh, yeah? I know someone who can. Ha!
You monster. Well, you still saved me. Nope.
I'm alive.
Leave me alone. Stop. Leave me alone.
You vote no. Get over here.
Hey! Over here! To go this way, man!
You're getting shot! You're getting shot! There's a dog around you!
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I went for the neck. It was really hard to see because I was in like the technology mode.
Literally, dude, my body landed on the cop, and I'm just laying down there. I'm just like, Well, we did it.
That's... wow.
I'm gonna run in and watch
Stuff's going down. Oh shit. Dog. Oh! Oh! Fucking! Get down! Get down! This bad dog! Bad dog! Don't make me tase you! I'm sorry.
Don't make me tase you. I know, we have to. I got it. Dominic, grab the bag, let's go.
What? What bag? Oh, I think I already grabbed it before because I don't see a bag.
Oh.
I'm out. I think I already grabbed it.
Yeah, probably did.
Move it.
He's just passed, but... Oh, I got ran over! It hurt.
What? Oh shit.
Keep running.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Keep running. Just keep running.
Go.
Cop car.
Oh my god. Let's go. Gotta play some epic music.
But
Oh shit. My drone's following us hella. Ah shit! Oh fuck!
oh, shoot!
Go!
What the fuck? What the fuck is that? Whatever. We gotta get out.
Go go go! I put the pipe as a proximity thing. Thingamajig. Fuck you! Fuck you! Oh god.
Where is it? We got.
I just hacked the vehicle so I drove in front of the fucking thing. Hack the
Yeah,
hacker.
we're doing hack
Who
the
wants to
hacker,
have some
what?
fun?
Yo, I'm listening.
We've got a lost
we need to
monkey
go back.
near you with all this
We're
confidential
going away
data
from
that
the
needs
hacker.
liberating. Your
Did you see
profiler will
that?
help
You hit
like
it at the
said
perfect
timely.
time, so I
But
just
they won't
like,
stick around long.
the
I'll
car
check it
went
out.
through,
So
but I
how
just
goes
fell.
the monkey business? They won't stick
Still running
around,
away
you
from
know.
the cops.
Yes,
Wait.
thank
Oh.
you. I got this.
Fuck, I am too. Fuck.
Teammate was detected.
I think I've been spotted.
Hey! Squad, do any other units still have a mission?
Fuck you, fucking
I
gaffers.
lost him, yes.
Fucking pigs!
He's all over the place. Someone needs to take him out.
I gotta go do something. I gotta come. Shit.
Squad, we're gonna circle back and see if we can pick them up.
Fuck. Where the fuck am I going?
To the tube microphone.
Boy! I got this, the world is my trap, like, kind of perk. Like, fucking, basically, I have it so when a cop gets near a trap, I can just press X. How do I download the data?
Shut down
CTOS?
teammate was detected. What?
Shit. Son of a bitch. Get him! Get him!
Where is he?
him!
Oh.
He's on the pickup.
We are back in pursuit.
I'm downloading it. Give me your shit! Stop! Oh my god!
Oh, he's stuck, I got this!
Take him down! Wait, we need him alive! I am getting it! I am downloading it! He's taking me with him! Oh god. Yes, I am downloading it in the most easy way possible!
yes!
Yes! Yes, my children, yes!
Suspect with a gun.
Oh my god.
Did you stop the fucking train? Oh my god. God, dude, this dude's fucking crazy. Oh shit.
Stop it! Stop the car! I'm just
Shit, stop!
No!
Stop it, fucking Jonathan! Jesus Christ, what is wrong with
Get
you?
in!
Obviously, if I'm on him, I'm downloading it! Almost done! It is downloaded!
Target is
Shit, I got it. I'm out.
Civilian down, squad.
Wait, was he stuck or because I
Yo,
just
Satar,
I swear I just saw him
curious
just go.
about your
I was like,
poster. They're good.
I was on the car
Real
downloading
good.
it and you
Like
tipped
art.
it over, you idiot.
Fuck off. They are
Oh,
art.
sir, stop it, man.
I don't know, man.
Yeah, we're
I've never
supposed
done
to
the
not
street art
kill
thing
him. We're
before.
supposed to just
You'll just have to be my student.
download
I
it.
was slowing it
Send
down.
me a student spot. See you there. If you
That
think you can hack
pretty much
it.
does make no sense.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. I'm making it slow down. It's like, wait.
You're like, wait.
I was like, wait. The car's still, you're still going after me.
Hey, speed up, brethren. Turn. He didn't turn. Fuck. The car.
I have lost the plot.
Oh my god.
Ran.
Ah! Let's go.
Suspect is back in view.
Yeah, boy. Let's go.
Watch out!
Oh god, these cops need Jesus. Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
I got a research point for this thing.
Put out an all-call squad.
Ooh,
Find
what
the
is this?
suspect. Over.
Ooh, there's a hacking over here. Try to get it.
Owie.
Okay, so it's right over there. Okay.
Shit.
I probably need like a. Wait, can I get on it?
Okay, I lost the cops.
Okay, meet me where I am. Chef, I think I almost got this.
And I got it.
Yep, here we go. I see it. Yeah, it is pretty easy. I got it. And unlock this, and I got a new skill point. I unlocked a new skill point. There, Chinatown, key data. So it's Chinatown. What's upgrade down? Search near Vista Point. That's good.
Hey, isn't this the thing that was on the trailer? This is the place that was on the trailer.
Okay, so it's not
Hey
that
man,
one.
this was the place that was on the trailer.
Or point, research point.
Porn?
Yeah.
Porns? What?
No.
Research porns.
Wait, what is that?
Oh my god. Research porns confirmed. Jesus Christ, Jonathan, you're a roast.
Fourth point. Oh, it's fourth point. Oh, here is Chinatown. So I unlocked massive vehicle hack. When on foot, create a mayhem by hacking all cars in the area at once. While driving, hack vehicles to distract drivers and clear a path. Lasts for 10 seconds.
Awesome.
Lasts like 6. I need to find the one that says Embracer Center and to find the place where the engine override to give you like a turbo boost.
Like a turbo boost? What is like a turbo boost?
Found it. Oh, we're close to it. Perfect. Yeah. You already got the one from Chinatown, right?
I'm getting this one right here. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, I just got this one. Let me see if I
Can't do
can.
this one.
I'm trying to get city disruption. Yes!
What, you got it?
No, I can hack those cute little robots.
Oh, okay.
What the fuck? My character just parkoured in. Looks like he just like fucking flew to it. He's like, yeah. The parkour is awesome in this game, but it looks so derpy sometimes.
Yeah.
God, there's no one even guarding this shit. You power of a hacker.
I'm entering a restricted area. It doesn't matter anymore.
Oh my
I'm
god.
parkouring my way up there.
Okay, I'm gonna get this dude that's going after you.
I got the money.
I got this
Who
fool.
money?
Is it?
Oh, I did awesome backflip. I like the backflip. It's like, yeah.
I like the parkour in general. It's really cool.
Oh, it's cool. Like, and also like when you're above an enemy, you jump down, you get him.
Oh really? That's cool.
Like, ugh. Yeah, that's what I did. I was like, oh, it's cool. Like, look at this guy. This guy. Yeah, try to do this guy.
Oh no! It seems we have come up into a traffic jam.
Oh.
Why doesn't the train go the other way? Oh no! The trains are building up. I like how they're like, oh, even though people try to do the traffic jam, the fucking lights just turn green, so I'll go. Don't worry, man, I'm gonna avenge you.
Kill that guy right there. Kill that fool. He doesn't deserve to live anymore.
What's up, fool? Kill my friend! That's how it's done.
more enemies are here.
No.
Enjoy your last few seconds of life.
No, no. Yeah. Yeah.
Got you, fam.
Thanks, fam. All right, let's go. This GTFO. That's how it's done. That's how it's done, boy. All right, get my back.
That was cool. I like that. He's just like, it's cool.
Oh shit, there is a big hack here, huh? Shit, I just see that thing. Alright, I need you to cover.
Oh, okay, I see it. What is this, another research point?
Yeah, that's it. Going in.
Yeah, we're about losing.
Yeah,
Okay,
I
let
just
me just
got
mark the point where the attachment is.
We're just getting a lot of research points right near me. Oh,
I know.
there's